guys, welcome back to SS Multimedia. My name is Naman Patil and I'm going to be teaching your lesson today. Starring Nirvi Patil.
Hi guys.
Yeah, she's right there. Okay, so today's lesson is going to be about patterns and graphing. So, today's objective is going to be to learn how to find patterns and use graphs. So graphs are like charts, okay, and patterns are things that repeat. So pretend I had this on a line, okay. So and they were asking to find the pattern, okay. So Nirvi, you're gonna help me out here.
Okay.
Do you see a pattern anywhere?
Yeah.
What's the pattern?
It's triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle.
Exactly. So that's a pattern. And a graph. So let me just draw a line. Okay, and a graph is like a chart where you chart down all of your information. So we know that it's triangle, circle, triangle, circle. So we can graph down. So here, so let's do this. So this is one type of a chart. Okay, or we can even go like this. So every time you find a triangle, you can put one line here. So like we have an equal amount of triangle and circle, so we can go like that. And there are multiple types of graph. There's an x and y axis graph. There's a coordinate plane, and there's tons of graphs that you guys can use. Okay, so first off, I have a problem here that we're gonna solve. Okay, so it says Jeff has no money. To gain more money, he saves $2 a week. John starts with $20. Then he spends $2 a week for 10 weeks. Now, write a table and complete a graph. So, I've already drawn down the table. Okay, so let me just draw down the graph. So this is a coordinate plane that I'm going to be using. Okay, so we have start off at 0 and go from, I'm going to count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You know what? I'll just draw the graph once I get to it, okay? Because I need a little bit more space. So, let's just start off with the chart here, or the table, okay? So Jeff, he starts off with $0, and John starts off with $20. So now Jeff, he gains $2 every week. So 2 for week 1, and then we have week 2, week 3, week 4, and so on, right? So 2, 4, 6, and 8. Right? And then John, on the other hand, he loses $2 a week. So from 28 becomes 18, then it goes to 16, then it goes to 14, then to 12, and so on. Right? So now that we have graphed this, we're gonna start writing on our coordinate plane. Okay, so first we need to find our ordered pairs, right? So let's write down our ordered pairs. 0, 20. Okay, then we have 2, 18. Then we have 4, 16. And then we have 6, 14. 6, 14. Then we have 8, 12. So 8, 12. Okay, so all I did there was bring these numbers and put them each into their ordered pairs. Both of these numbers, like top and bottom numbers, in one column go into one ordered pair. Okay, so now let's draw down the coordinate plane. Okay, so I've gotten us some more space here to draw down our coordinate plane. So let me draw it down. Okay, it's an x and y axis. So now we have, so let's first write down the numbers 2 to 20. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Okay, so now that we have that, let me just write down the numbers for this side too, and I'll see you guys right after I'm done. Okay, so I'm back with all the numbers that we need. So now let's start putting down our ordered pairs into the coordinate plane. So I'll use a different color. Okay, so let me use this red here. Okay, so first we have 0 and 20. So 0, so the first number goes to the right, so 0 is right here, and the second number goes up. So we go all the way up to 20. So let's draw down our 20 mark right there. Okay, next we have 2 and 18. Right? So now 4, 5. So we have five ordered pairs too. So now we have 2 and 18. 2, so let's go down to 2, then 18. So right here. Okay. Next we have 4 and 16. 4 and 16, which is right about here. Okay. And then we have 6 and 14. 6 and 14, which is about right here. Then we have 8 and 12. 8 and 12. It's about right here. So now let me just draw our line through these. Okay, all the way down to 20. Okay, so it's not the straightest of the lines, but it'll have to do. Okay, so now that we have gone to 20, our ending point should be right here. So then let's go to 10. So 4 are done. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So now we know that John sadly ends up broke, and Jeff, on the other hand, he goes up to $20. Okay, so now that we have that, let's do the next page. This one you guys are gonna do by yourself. So you guys just start now. Read out the problem yourself and do it. Okay, so I hope you guys are back, because I'm about to do this problem. So it says Anne and Joe both got $3 a week. When they started, Anne had no money, but Joe started with $5. How much money will Joe have when Anne reaches to $30? Use the table and graph to show your work. So Anne has 0, Joe has 5. So let's keep on adding $3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on, right? And then till like 30. So till 30. And you don't know what Joe has. So now he has 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, and 20, right? So now that we have all this, let's write it down as coordinate planes, or as ordered pairs. So now we're going to write down all the numbers as coordinate planes. So, ordered pairs, not coordinate planes. 3 8s, 3 8, 6 and 11, 6 and 11, 9 and 14, 9 and 14, then we have 12 and 17, Then we have 15 and 20. 15 and 20. Okay, so now let's graph all this into a coordinate plane. Okay, so now I've made us some more space to graph it down and draw our coordinate plane. Okay, so first let me just draw down the coordinate plane. Okay, then let me write down our numbers again. So I'll see you guys when I've done that. Okay. Okay, so I am back and ready to graph down our ordered pairs onto the coordinate plane. So first we have 3, 8, 3 and 8. So we move down to 3, which is in between 2 and 4. So right in the middle. And sorry about that. That dot doesn't belong there. Okay. So then we have in between here, and then we have to go up to 8, which is right over here. Okay, then we have 6 and 1. 6 and 11. Sorry, 6 and 11, which is in between 10 and 12, which is right here. Then we have 9 and 14. 9 and 14. 9 is in between right here. So it looks like it goes right in between the 8 and 10. So it goes up to 14 too. So it is right here. Okay, so it looks like I used a different color there, but that's fine. So now we have 12 and 17. So let's find 17, which is in between 18 and 16. So let's put that dot right there. And then we have 15 and 20. So where's 15? 15 would be right in between 14 and 16. We go up, find it right there. Okay, so we made a line completing all the way until 30. We would see that once Anne reaches 30. Okay, so we were looking for when Anne reaches 20, which is about, sorry, not the straightest of lines. Okay, so it would be about 20, right? And then we're gonna see how Anne would reach, how much Joe would have once Anne reaches 20. So if we had counted by twos, since we counted by twos, we can go up to 20, right? But then if we went further up, we would have saw that once Anne reaches 20, Joe reaches 25. Or once Anne reaches 30, sorry. Say we count by 5. If Joe, once Anne, sorry, I'm so sorry, okay? So once Anne reaches 30, we'd see that Joe reaches 35. Okay? So if you got that as your answer, then you got this problem right. Okay, so that's it for today's video. So since you're done with that, you guys can complete these steps. The first one is to remember to like this video. Second one is to remember to share this video to everyone you know. And the third one is remember to smash that subscribe button.
And hit the bell.
Yeah.
And
And
really hit it.
yeah, okay. And once you're there, hit the bell icon too. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.